Hi, please find all the components in the A2M kit with scaffolding. Our first step is to preheat the warmer. Start by plugging in the warmer. Next, set the temperature to 75.5 by pressing the plus button, and then to set the temperature, press set. Next, we are going to draw our patient's blood. We are going to draw all 12 tubes of blood. When pulling back on the plunger, please do so at a slow and steady pace so you do not damage or split the red blood cells. Please be sure to fill each blood collection tube completely full of blood, or it will throw off the centrifuge. Once we are done drawing all 12 tubes of blood, please invert the tubes back and forth to mix the heparin beads in the blood. Please be sure to invert the tubes at least 3 to 4 times. After that, you will gently snap the plunger off each of the blood collection tubes. Once all the plungers have been snapped off, you will gather all your blood collection tubes and we will gently place each blood collection tube in our holder. We will place our holder in the centrifuge at 3,500 RPM for 8 minutes. If you are using a Regen Lab centrifuge, you will place your blood collection tubes in the centrifuge at 3,500 RPM for 9 minutes. Now that our centrifuge is done, we will remove the blood collection tubes and place in a working area. Please take your alcohol prep pad and clean the top of each blood collection tube. We will now begin to draw off 3.5 mL of platelet-poor plasma to use for our bioscaffolding. You will place your bioscaffolding in the warmer at 75.5 degrees for 10 minutes. Now we are going to go back through and draw off the platelet-poor plasma from the rest of our blood collection tubes into our 60 mL syringe until the beads get to the top of the green. Now we are ready to grab our filter. Please connect your 60 mL syringe filled with the platelet-poor plasma to the left side of your filter. Once connected, you will grab your other 60 mL syringe in your kit and connect it to the right side of the filter, as shown in the video. Now you will grab your 60 mL vac lock syringe in your kit. Please follow along with the video to properly bleed out the air in your filter by connecting the vac lock to the top right blue port. You will connect and pull air out of the filter 4 times. You will notice on the 4th time, you will see clear fluid enter the vac lock. Once you see the clear fluid enter the vac lock, push each side of your 60 mL syringes to make sure all the platelet-poor plasma is now in the filter as shown. You will then remove the vac lock, push the air out, and lock it on the bottom bracket. We will now reconnect the vac lock to pull more clear fluid from the filter 2 more times. Please follow along in the video. Once you remove the vac lock for the second time, you will place that off to the side. You will now remove the top right blue port from the filter and begin to pull back on the right side of your 60 ml syringe. You will now see very concentrated A2M enter the syringe. You will now take your cooled off bioscaffolding and push it through the 30 ml syringe found in your kit. Remove your 60 ml syringe, connect your very concentrated A2M to your 30 ml syringe, and begin to mix the bioscaffolding and A2M back and forth approximately 20 to 30 times. Once you are done mixing, you now have your final product. This process is used by Buckeye Physical Medicine and Rehab.